Smart Block. Starting block setups are as varied as the number of sprint experts that declare their setup to be the best. The truth is that they are all correct for their superstar athlete. Smart Block generates data that the athlete can instantly associate with what they were actually trying to do during a block start.
On your marks. Set.
Yes. You twitched at the wrong time too. Yeah, that's
a good tool though, because it shows you like what happens if you're trying to guess
yes.
and you like twitch, because that's just it shows that it slows you down.
Yeah.
Trying to guess instead of just going for a reaction.
On your marks. Set.
Smart Block generates data that the athlete can instantly associate with what they were actually trying to do during a block start. That data is then compared to runtime. It is this association between the data generated, instant feedback, and runtime that teaches the athlete exactly what improves or degrades their performance. Smart Block, through its instant feedback, will refine the athlete's muscle memory, creating an improved and more reliable performance.
On your marks. Set.